Hey guys, my name is Madeline Haynes, and the website that I'm going to share with you today is called 99 Math. This is a completely free website. Now you can sign up as a teacher, a parent, or a student. But since I've recently just signed up, I'm going to go ahead and log in really quick. Now this website does require you to have Wi-Fi. Now some nice things in the settings is that you are able to go ahead and list your state. Now you can go ahead and type in your school name if you choose, and then the grades that you are interested in. I do uncheck to receive emails because I don't want to get flooded with some emails as well. So here are some of the settings. Now, I have used this in my classrooms within the past week for working on their math fluency. Now, if we look over here to the left, we see that it has addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, grade 1 skills. It has grade 1 skills all the way up until 12th grade skills. Now, I'm a second grade teacher, so I'm going to go ahead and go in there and show you some of the different things that they have. They have addition, subtraction, multiplication, number patterns, comparing and ordering, rounding, fractions, time, and money. Now, your students do not need an account for this, and if you choose not to have them to make them accounts, their screen will look like this, and all they have to do is enter in a game code and type in their name. It's very simple. I really like it, and so do my students. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go into reports, and here we see one of the reports done from today with 84% accuracy. We're going to go ahead and open that, and I am going to hide their names. The nice thing about this is that I'm able to see their accuracy, and I also see the mistakes and which ones that they had missed, which is really nice. Now, I will say that this is great for using it as a Keep To artifact if you choose. Now, this is also used as, I use this as an informal assessment due to it being kind of a fun way and being able to test the different kinds of things that we are learning in class. As it goes along with the Bloom's taxonomy, I see this as applying because they are having to execute, improve, solve problems, and also they have to show what they have learned. So again, it's very nice, it's very simple. The kids think it's very engaging. It has all of these different options. You can do the play live option and the individual practice, but with the individual practice, you will need to make them accounts. If you also go to the classes portion and you make them accounts, you can see their fluency progress, which is really nice. But again, I've chosen not to do that, just to kind of make it a little bit easier for me. With the SAMR model, I believe it fits in with the A augmentation due to the fact that it does act as a substitute, but it is functional in improving math fluency. Again, it has some really cool different skills. If I were to go into, I don't know, let's go to grade 7 through 12. Okay, what do we have? Oh, you can customize skills needed for your grade level. So that's really cool too. This is actually pretty new to me. Again, the kids think it's super engaging, and I think it's really fun as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this app. Go ahead and give it a shot.